In this video, we will learn how to install plugin manager. First, you have to download the plugin manager manually. So first go to Google Chrome and search Notepad plugin manager, or you can go directly through this site github.com. I have put the downloaded link in the comment box. So here it is the 1.4.10 version. So click the zip file, click on it. After clicking, it will download to your machine. So your file is downloading. After downloading, we will do some necessary steps. After downloading, unzip the download file and extract here. After extracting, so go to installation directory. So my computer, C drive, programs file, and then Notepad++. So now copy the downloaded plugins. So plugins manager.dll. So copy that file and go to the installation directory left side. So open plugins folder and paste here. You need to provide administrator permission. So click continue. So and next updater. So click on that, copy and paste here. Continue. Now open Notepad++ and check whether your plugin manager is available or not. So go to plugins and click on that and click show plugin manager. So here it is showing that your plugin manager is available. So click show plugin manager. Downloading plugin lists. So every plugin list will be downloaded here. So now your every plugin is available here. Whatever plugin you need, you can select from here and then you can install. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.